witchers of all kinds, and welcome back. Or if you're new here, welcome and hope you'll stick around. In this video, I want to show you 4 outfits I created all around this straw bag. I wanted to release this video sooner in summer, but I couldn't. I hope it's not too late for it, even though it's still hot season somewhere around the globe. Also, by the time of filming this video, the weather is still pretty much hot here too. If it's cold season where you live, you can keep this video and rewatch it in summer to get inspired for summer outfits. So now, let's move on to the outfits. This bag made me create countryside inspired looks. This outfit has some 80s witch vibes and I love the flared pants. I haven't worn these in ages. They also made a comeback into my wardrobe and I wear them again. I want to get more flared pants as they are fun and I love the silhouette. This outfit is so simple and fun. I'm going to wear it a lot during the last warm days. Here I thought adding a scarf or a spooky keychain will spice up the outfit and add some character to the bag. This outfit is very elegant and reminds me of cottagecore style. I already wore this outfit with a different bag and I wanted to try it with the straw bag. I wasn't so happy about this outfit at first and I wanted to take it down from this video, but on shooting day I liked it very much. I'm still not sure how the bag matches the outfit, but I wanted to try different styles and see how it goes. Again, you can see the skull scarf here that puts it all together. I would love to hear which of these outfits is your favorite. Do you think I pulled off the last outfit, or was it just a bad outfit choice? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know your opinion on the outfit.